Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a smoky black Arabic eye look. I'm using the Morphe Bronze Golds palette today, and I'm taking this top soft brown shade, and I'm taking this on a fluffy blending brush and warming this up in the crease. I'm just going back and forth getting the whole entire crease, and I've applied some tape in the corners of my eyes to help me get a sharper edge. Now taking this bottom shade, which is a grey colour, and I'm using a flat shader brush this time and patting this colour along my lash line and along the side of the tape, and then I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush to blend it out. I'm now taking this matte black colour and I'm doing the same thing as the grey, going along my lash line and along the tape, and then blending it out with a fluffier brush. Here I'm just applying more of that grey colour above the black that we just used, and then blending it out. Next I'm taking this soft shimmer colour, and this is perfect for my inner corner highlight. Now I'm taking this Rimmel black Kohl pencil and lining my upper and lower waterline. Then I'm going to smudge it out with the black eyeshadow. For the inner corner points, I like to use a gel liner for this, and I'm using the Maybelline gel liner. I'm quickly going to curl my lashes, and then I'm going to apply 811 Mink lashes by Ardell. Now taking the NYX on the Rise mascara to blend them together. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this dramatic look. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!